Hi, I'm Kate Gaertner, and I am the founder and CEO of TripleWin Advisory, which is an insight consultancy for corporate sustainability. Today I'm introducing two new blogs that I've just written, and they're both on microplastics. So what are microplastics? They're very, very small pieces of plastic that are finding their way into our waterways and ultimately into our oceans. So microplastics should be equated to environmental pollution. So why should we care? Well, let me tell you the titles of the two blogs that I wrote. The first title is a little bit of a mouthful, so apologies beforehand. And it is, Does the Proliferation of Microplastics from Technical Clothing Concern You? The second title of the second blog is Oceans Full of Microplastics. The microplastics mainly come in three forms. The first is through microbeads being introduced in cosmetics as well as body products, and this is a growing field for microplastics. The second is through manufacturing pellets that are produced for industrial use. And the third is through synthetic clothing, man-made clothing. Synthetic clothing is man-made clothing, is also technical clothing. And what happens there is we buy these synthetic clothes, we wear them, we wash them in our washers, and bits and pieces of that fabric wear away. They go into our municipal water sewage stream, and they make their way out into the ocean. So why should we care? We know what microplastics are, but why should we care? The main issue is that microplastics are pollutive to the environment because they're made from petroleum. And petroleum is a fossil fuel. And so anything made from a fossil fuel is not biodegradable. So microplastics are making their way into the oceans. Marine organisms are eating them, digesting them, floating all around them. And we have no idea really the total effects of having all of this plastic just floating into the oceans. It was not meant to be there, and there's no way to get rid of it other than to scoop it up and get rid of it. So there is new science around it. It's building brand awareness of the concerns of microplastics. We're not quite sure how concerning this is, but we do know that microplastics are rampant in our waterways and in our oceans. It's not only should you go and read my two blogs on microplastics, but I do reference three articles that have been written in the last 6 to 8 months, all related to this issue. Two of them are from the New York Times and one is from The Economist. In particular, what's quite interesting and timely is that in the last week or two, the New York Times published an article on microbeads, so one form of microplastics, and stating that the UK has now banned the use of microbeads in cosmetics. So go ahead and take a look at my blogs, take a quick read. They're not very long, and let me know what you think. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.